In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add EA app to Steam. By the end, you'll be able to launch the EA app right from your Steam library, keeping everything in one place for easier access and organization. Start by opening Steam on your PC and signing in. You'll want to be on the main Steam window where you can see the top menu. Up there, click on Games, then choose Add a non-Steam game to my library. This opens a list of programs Steam can detect, but since the EA app might not always appear automatically, we're going to point Steam to it manually. In that window, click Browse. A file picker will open. Navigate to the folder where the EA app is installed. On many systems, that's in C, Program Files EA Games EA app, and the file you're looking for is eapp.exe. If you installed the EA app somewhere else, go to that custom folder instead. If you don't remember where it was installed, you can search your computer for eapp.exe, then note the location and return to the file picker to navigate there. Once you've highlighted eapp.exe, click Open, and back in the list, make sure it's selected. Then, click Add Selected Programs. Steam will now add the EA app to your library as a non-Steam game. Head to your Steam library and locate the EA app entry you just added. Select it and click Play to launch. The first time you open it through Steam, the EA app will prompt you to sign into your EA account. Go ahead and sign in. On that initial launch, you'll typically be asked to link your EA account with your Steam account. Follow the on-screen instructions to approve the connection. If you're taken to EA's Connected Accounts page, confirm the link there as well. This connection ensures that future launches from Steam work smoothly and that your EA titles are properly recognized on the EA site. After the accounts are linked, launching the EA app from Steam should be straightforward. You can keep it pinned in your library and start it just like any other entry. If you ever move the EA app to a different drive later, remember that you'll need to repeat the browse and add step so Steam knows where the executable is located. Also, if the name that appears in Steam isn't exactly what you expect, that's normal for non-Steam entries. The functionality is what matters. That's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.